Hi and welcome to ISBI. Today I'm gonna build a pool area. I started by marking the area where the pool should stand. I used the cord and the garden tool of my wife to make a circle in the lawn. Then I started digging. Next I use these special curves to check if my calculations are correct. I laid them out around the circle to see if they fit perfectly around the circumference. And then I digged out the rest of the circle. Because the property behind our house is slightly sloped, I had to compensate that by leveling the ground, so the pool will stand perfectly leveled later. It turned out that I had to dig a lot more. Fortunately, a neighbor of us had a motor-driven hoe. That made this task a lot easier. Then I compressed the ground as preparation for the small wall around the circumference. So that we can use the pool the rest of the summer 2019, I decided to just fill the place with sand, because it is quickly done. I used additional concrete slabs on which the posts of the pool will stand. Then I made the small wall all around. Next I have spread a thin layer of sand and compressed it again. After that I laid in a weed fleece. This prevents weeds from growing through. Then I filled in the rest of the sand and leveled it out. And then the place was ready for the pool. This was all done in the summer of 2019. I did the rest of the work in spring 2020. For the rest of the work I just have taken some pictures. To have a visualization how it should look like, I made a quick plan in Fusion 360. The shower place already existed, but for the rest of the area I have to dig again. And dig and dig. Here you can see that I already begun to lay out the pool place with concrete slabs. I've already done that in the autumn 2019. After the digging I finished the pool place. Then I buried a pipe in the ground. This pipe is a preparation so that I can pull some hoses through for a heater system, if I want to add one. I also buried a hose for the electrical line of the pool pump. As a separation between the concrete slabs and the gravel area, I add some lawn edging from concrete. Here I made the base for the pool pump. I poured in the coarse gravel to finish this step. I laid out wheat fleece and used fine gravel to lay out the rest of the area with concrete slabs. And there is the finished pool area. The pool is already filling. There you also can see our garden shower. It turned out really nice and it looks so much better than before. Thank you for watching. If you like my videos, please consider subscribing, don't forget to click the notification bell and stay tuned for future projects. See ya!